Hi and welcome to my new tutorial. This time I've come up with Keerthanam, Gajananayutham. That's the title of the Keerthanam, composed by Swami Dhekshinendra in the Ragam Chakravakam. So first let's discuss the Raga Lakshana of Chakravakam. Chakravakam is the 16th Melakartha Ragam. We have got 72 Melakartha Ragams. Among that, the 16th one is Chakravakam. And its Pradimandima Ragam is Ramapriya. Ramapriya, that's the name of the Ragam. It's Pradimandima Ragam, 52nd. Okay. And the Swarasthanams of Chakravakam is Shadjam, Shuddha Rishabham, Andara Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panjamam, Chadurshruti Daivadam, and Kaishigi Nishadam. How to sing the Arohana and Avarohana. Sa-ri ga-ma. Here Gandhara is having a gama actually. Ri-ma-ga, ga. That's the gama. Sa-ri ga-ma. Then pa-tha. Daiva is playing. Pa-tha then ni. Nishad is having a gamaga. Da sa ni. Those are the answers. Ni sa. Okay. In one stretch, it will sound like this. Sa ri ga ma pa tha ni sa sa. That is sa da sa. Like that. Avarohana. Sa ni da pa. Here Nishada is having a slide from Shadja. Sa ni ni, like that. Sa ni da pa. Da Daiva is just a plain note like in the Arohana. Da pa. Then Madhyama has to be lifted up from Shadja, Sa ma. Those are the answers. Ma ga. From this Gandhara start the Gama of Ri. Gamari. Those are the answers. Gamari, Ri, Sa. Like that. In one stretch, the Avarohana will sound like this. Sa ni da pa. Then ma ga ri sa. So the Arohana and Avarohana of Chakravakam is sa ri ga ma pa tha ni sa. Then sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. So that's Chakravakam. Yeah, when I explained about this Kriti, Keerthana, I said this has been composed by Swami Dhekshinendra. How can we find out that easily? For every composer, they have got a signature, what we call as Vagigara Mudra. The Vagigara Mudra of Swami Dhekshinendra is Guru Guha. When we look at its Samashti Charanam, by the end of the Samashti Charanam, we can find out Kunjara Vanjana Chatura Taragaram Guru Guha Grajam. There it's been written Guru Guha Grajam. So that's how we can easily find out who the composer is. So here it is, Swami Dhekshinendra. That's it. Chakravakam, that's a ragam, Adithalam. It's been set in the Adithalam. I will sing each phrase. Listen. Gajananayutham Ganeshwaram Shri. This is the first Sangati. Okay, let's move in detail. Gajana. The swaram is Mamaga Risa. Rishabha is having a gamaga like I have mentioned in the Avarohana. Gamari, those are the swaras. Mamaga Risa Gajana. Then Nayutham. Here Gamapa. Gandhara is having a gamaga Rimaga Ga Rimaga like I have mentioned in the Arohana. Rimaga Gamapa Nayutham. Then Ganeshwaram. Here it is Padanidapa. Nishada like in the Arohana. Dasani Padanidapa Padanidapa Ganeshwaram. Then for Shri, it's Shri, that's pa, da, pa. Panchama is plain, whereas the Dayodham is having a slide from Shadja. Pa, sa, da, pa, like that. Because it will be a bit difficult to get a slide from Nisha. Pa, ni, da, shri, like that. So I have, that's one reason I took Dayodham from Shadja. So this is how it should sound like the first Sangati. Gajananayutham Ganeshwaram, then Shri. You should sing it twice. Then let's move on to the second Sangati. Gajananayutham. Up to this portion, it is just a repetition of the first Sangati. Then Ganeshwaram. Here, Gama Pada Nisa Nida Pa. This is exactly the combination of Arohana as well as the Avarohana, but Gama Pada Nisa Nida Pa, Gama Pada Nisa. This is just the Arohana. Sari Gama Pada Nisa. That's it. But Sharja and Rishabha has been cancelled. Gama Pada Nisa, then Nida Pa, like in the Avarohana. Sa Nida Pa. Cancel that Sharja. Nida Pa. When combined, it will sound like this. Gama pada ni sa ni da pa. Gandhara is having gama, rima ga, ga, then ni, da sa ni, ni. Nishad is also having gama ga. Gama pada ni sa da sa, then ni da pa. Nishad is having a slide there. Sa ni da pa. Gama pada ni sa ni da pa. Like that. Ganeshwaram, then Shri. Here another Shri. Nida da pa. Those are the answers with us. Nida da pa. Hammer it. Nida da pa. Nida da pa. Shri. As a phrase, it will sound like Gajananayutham Ganeshwaram Shri. This phrase also should be sang twice. Then let's move on to the third Sangati. Gajananayutham. Here, the starting ga, ja, ma pada. Those are the swarams. Ma pada. But don't sing it in the straight form like ma pada. Don't sing it like that. Always give a curve. Ma pada, na na na, like that. Ta ma pada pada. Those are the answers. Ma pada ga Gajananayutham. All the rest is just a repetition of the first as well as the second Sangati. Then Ganeshwaram. Here a slight change is there. Earlier in the second Sangati we sang like Gama Pada Ni Sa Ni Da Pa, right? Here that Gandhara and Madhyama has been cancelled and it is Pada Pada Ni Sa Ni Da Pa, double Panchama and Pada Pada. Those are the swarams there. Pada Pada Ni Sa Ni Da Pa. The rest is just a repetition of the second Sangati. Ganeshwaram. See, Ganeshwaram. Then here, this time we are not having a Shri there. After that, we are having an extension. Ganeshwaram. Then another extension is there. So let me sing the third Sangati. Gajananayutham Ganeshwaram. And from here start the extension. Bhajami Padani sa sa pa dha. Nishad is having a gamaga. Padani sa sa sada sa sada sa. That's it. Padani sa sa bhajami. Then Satatam Nisa Nida Pa. All is having gamaga there. Nisa Dasa Nisa Nisa Nida Pa Sani Da Pa. Those are the answers. Nisa Nida Pa Satatam. Then Sureshwaram. Sureshwaram. Pama pama nida pa sureshwa. Pama manida pa sureshwa. pa ma ma ni da pa su re eshwaram magari pa ma ma ni da pa magari sureshwa ram magari is ram sureshwaram magari. Then Shri, which is Sari. That's it. As a phrase, it should sound like this: Bhajami satatam sureshwaram Shri. That's it. So that's the first extension. When you repeat the third Sangati, you should change the extension, which means the extension has to also got another Sangati. So after the third Sangati, Gajananayutham Ganeshwaram, then the second extension, Bhajami, which is Padani Sari, Padani Sari. Nishada is having a Gama, the Sari, those are the answers. Bhaja, then mi, gari or mari, both are possible. Up to your convenience, you can sing both. Both are right. Bhajami, padani sari, gari or mari, yeah. Bhajami, satatam, saniri, sanida, pama. Here, sani, Nishada is having a slide from Shadja, and this Rishabha is having a slide from Nishada. Sani niri, sani niri, sata, sani risa, satatam, nidapamatam. That Sureshwaram. This is quite an easy one for you because you have practiced this in the second Sangati. Gajananayutham Ganeshwaram. The same thing here. Gamapadani Sanidap Sureshwar. Then Ram Papamari Pamari. There we are having a change. Gamapadani Sanidap Pamari Sureshwaram. Then from this Rishabha Shri. From this Rishabha, Nida Pama. You should give a slide for Nishada. Rishabha to Nishada, Nida Pama. Then total hammer and tuck, 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 tuck. Nida Pama Shri. Like you have practiced in the gender variation. As a phrase, it should sound like this: Bhajami satatam sureshwaram Shri. That's the extension, the second extension. Then to conclude this Pallavi, Gajananayutham, like in the first and second Sangati. Then Ganeshwaram, Ga Pama, then Ganeshwar, Gandhara to Nishada, Neshwaram Dapa. Okay. Ganeshwar from Madhyam also you can give that. That's totally according to your convenience. Pa ma ma ni da pa na na na. That's possible. Pa ma ga ni da pa. That's what I sang. Gajananayutham Ganeshwaram. That's it. That's the Pallavi. The next portion we are having is Samriti Charanam, because that's a style of Muthuswami Diksha. Only he has composed Samriti Charanams. I mean, up to my knowledge. Yeah, we will be discussing in the Samriti Charanam in my second tutorial of this lesson. So yeah, keep on practicing, guys. And if you have got any comments or opinions, you can post them as comments. Yeah, I'll be responding to that as soon as I getting off these notifications. Okay. By the way, keep on practicing. We will meet in the next tutorial. Bye bye.